Right, everybody. So, I was torn between these two. Actually, nice ang duha, especially ang style. Ano siya? Naa siya wide strap. And this color, tan and beige. So, medyo confused ko which color between these two. Beige ba or tan? Welcome to this special video. It's a mini Spruce haul. So I am here at Spruce in Limketkai branch. So I am thinking of giving something or looking something for my mom and my sister, especially sa akong sister because her birthday is coming na. And yeah, we'll see what we can get for her as a present in her birthday. So far, I have my first two choices. The Spruce sandals. We got the twist and this one. Cute pair of colors. So, let's check if may guba siya. I'm so glad na sila dagko ka sizes for me because I'm size 39 to 40 and this is in 39. Both of this. So, let's check if perfect outfit. Actually, this one, this has a pink color available in my size. So, I also wanna try to check if fit or bagay ba sa kong color pink. Okay, so far wala pa ko'y sandals na pink. And let's try this twisted strap in silver. Here we go. Ooh. It's cute. And now, mamili na po ko bags. Everybody, so I was torn between these two. Actually, nice ang duha, especially ang style. Ano siya? Naa siya wide strap. And this color, tan and beige. So medyo confused ko which color between these two. Beige ba or tan? Alright, everybody. Actually, I had a hard time choosing the best items for my ate and my mom because I match it up with their personalities. But another thing that makes it harder, dagan kaayo kag choices mapilian, so maglibog yun ka. But here are the items that I've selected for my sister because it's her birthday this coming March 29, and I've decided to give her the twisted sandals, Spruce sandals, here in gold. And for my mom, I decided to give her a bag. This one. I know she will like it because of the straps. It's very comfortable. And enough lang ka ang length sa strap for you to lay it on your shoulders. This is for my mom. And lastly, for myself, are this bag and the twisted sandal, Spruce sandal in silver. So I've got this in size 40. This one is my bag. So actually, I've been looking for a perfect bag because this one, it doesn't fit everything. But with this one, I know much more things can be put inside. Plus, it has a strap, ladies and gentlemen. Put it on the sides. Alright everybody, done with my shopping here, my mini haul here at Spruce, and I bought myself a Spruce preferred card for all the discounts that you need. So